glad you're here. We are going to share the November products. We have beautiful papers and ephemera, and I'm going to share what's in your box of the month. This is day one for sneak peeks. This will be in your box of the month. Plus, you can get the paper frosted Bliss and its coordinating ephemera on the website individually on November 1st at 9 a.m. Central Time. So I'm super excited to share this. I love this color combination, the pinks, the blue, the dark blue, the two shades of pink. It's really pretty. Gorgeous ephemera pieces. This stamp set is really cute. You can only get the stamp sets in the box of the month and the junior box of the month. This is Winter Vibes, and I'm going to make a card today using all these items here. Let's take a look at the sentiments. We've got cold hands, warm heart, but first hot cocoa. I wasn't made for winter. Hello, cold days, winter vibes, let's get cozy. There's snow place like home and hot cocoa, cozy blankets, Christmas movies. So I'm going to use probably something that's going to fit in this oval. So I'm thinking about maybe the hello, cold days. Also cold hands, warm heart will fit in there. So I was thinking about using that with this image here. I think it's perfect because she's holding the hot cocoa with her hands, and it looks like it's cold outside. So let's take a look at the beautiful Frosted Bliss paper pad that you'll be able to get your hands on November 1st at 9 a.m. Central Time. So we've got gorgeous patterns. You get 4 of each. They're double-sided. You get 24 sheets. So this makes a really nice background if you want to create a little scene with characters. I think that would make a great background. We've got it in a lighter blue. And then this really pretty print on the back with the hot cocos. This one's super cute. It's got a little teddy bear, and the teddy bear's got a teddy bear, so I thought that was adorable. And then the beautiful poinsettias, and we've got it in a white background, a pink background. Really pretty. This cute little snowman is adorable with the pink Christmas tree. And then we've got some toys. Really, really cute. And there's that background on pink. And then I love this navy blue. It's so gorgeous. And then we've got a lighter blue with the house and snowflakes in the background. So what a pretty palette that is. Let's take out all the ephemera and then let's create a card. Let's think about what ephemera pieces I want to use on my card. Creating with ephemera is so easy. You could either use one image or collage a few images to make a little scene. Your card comes together so quickly when you have the matching paper pad. Our ephemera is printed on heavy cardstock. It's very, very pretty. So let me play some music while I lay all of this out. Okay, let me bring up some of the cute little girls that are in this ephemera pack. I also grabbed the window, so I don't know if I want to use the window or the tree, because I do like the window behind her as well. So we'll see how that comes together. I have some pieces cut out. I had this already in my stash ready to go. It's not like the perfect pink or anything, but I thought it might work if we layer up some white and then pick one of the papers here that kind of complement the color. Maybe something dark. Let's see, like that. That's really, really pretty. So there's several different ways I can go with this card. Ooh, I actually found this color pink in my stash, and that pink matches perfect. So I'm going to create a card base out of this. Okay, so I'm going to layer up this white panel, and then we'll cut down our decorative paper a 1/4 inch smaller. Okay, I want to do 2 different patterns. So what I think I'm going to do is cut on a diagonal. So I cut down this panel 3 3/4 by 5 inches. I cut them both down at the same time, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to lay them on top of each other and get my trimmer out, and then make the angle cuts through both of them. That way I know it's going to fit. So let me think. So I'm going to do corner to corner. So now I have 4 panels here, and I can take the pink with the blue and then line that right up. And then for this one, we can flip it over and make a second card. So why don't we just do 2 cards since we already have that done. Okay, so I love how that turned out. So I've got some circles that I'd like to stamp maybe some sentiments on. I'm using Memento Tuxedo black ink, and we're gonna stamp out the Hello Cold Days. I'm using this ink so I could color in the little glove with some Copic markers. The other one I'm stamping is the sentiment, I wasn't made for winter. Let it go. I thought it would go really cute with the girl in the PJs, in her hot cocoa. She's probably just sitting by the window thinking, I'm staying in all day while it's snowing out there. She's inside all warm and toasty in her PJs and her cup of hot cocoa. I'm going to put a silver peel-off strip right down the center of these cards just to add a little sparkle. I'm going to have her like that. So let's see where we can position this. So we can position this more on that side. If I put it in the center, I will have to put the girl down further on the card. I think it looks good in the center. And we'll just have to angle her just a little bit. I'll pop her up and then maybe we can put something up on the top over here to balance that out. So that looks pretty cute. Okay, so I got some foam tape on the back. Okay, now let's grab some enamel dots. You know how I always say our enamel dots are magical. So this is the Pink Christmas collection that goes with the Pink Christmas paper pad. But look how perfect. We have this color here that goes beautiful with the colors in this paper pad. So I'm going to use that. Now to decide where I want these dots. Okay, so there's the first card. Turned out super cute. So let's go ahead and finish up the second one. So I said I was going to color in that glove. Let's find a color that's going to go really nicely. What about this V91? I think that will look nice. Okay, so I'm just going to shade at the bottom. Okay, so let's put the strip down the middle of our second card. And we'll just do a little cluster of, a little collage. All right, so I'm going to have my tree flat. When I'm doing a collage, I like to have some items flat and then some popped up. So some look like they're in the background, some look like they're in the foreground. Let's have our little sentiment. We'll pop her up. Okay, so let's put some foam tape on her. I'm going to double up the foam on the star. I want my star to be over the girl. And I'm going to add a little bit of glitter to that. Just going to take a glitter brush. This one's a little bit dried up, but there's still glitter coming out of there. Okay, so there is the second card. Super cute. So do you like card number 1 or card number 2? So this would make a cute little gift set because they match. They look really cute together. So I hope you guys enjoyed the first day of sneak peeks. Come back tomorrow. I'll be up on the channel with day 2. Can't wait to show you what's next. Thanks so much for watching, guys, and I will see you in the next video. Bye, guys.